Hello internet people. In this quick video I'll show you how to connect Google Search Console to Yoast SEO. This way you are able to get Search Console notifications straight into your WordPress dashboard. Arnie, what's your dashboard?
Just bodies.
You're just weird, Arnie. Just weird.
Tips with punch.
Alright, before we start, make sure you have signed up for Google Search Console and verify that you own the domain. If you want to know how to do it, check out the video that will appear on your screen now. I guess since you're watching this tutorial, you already have Yoast plugin installed. If you don't, just install a new plugin called Yoast SEO and don't forget to activate it. So let's go to Yoast dashboard by hovering over the SEO in the left menu and then click on Search Console. Here, Yoast is asking to connect your Search Console with Yoast. You can do it by clicking on the Get Google Authorization Code button.
Okay, make it quick because my horse is getting tired.
This will open up a pop-up where you can choose your account, or you might see a Google's login. Make sure you log in. Pick the account you want to connect to. And now Google is asking if you give permission for Yoast SEO to view and manage your Search Console. Scroll a little bit down and click on Allow. Now you will see a code that you need to copy. You can just click on this copy to clipboard icon.
Oh, really?
And paste the code in this field in Yoast SEO dashboard. Then in the drop down, select the domain you want to use and click on Save Profile. That's it, you're done. Later you will be able to see data from Search Console in this dashboard. Awesome, right? My name is Robert, and if you're looking to master the digital world while getting entertained, this is the channel for you. So hit that subscribe button and find the bell icon so that you get notified about new videos. Here are two videos that I think you will find useful. Whoosh!